welcome back to one more interesting session from Trido School. This is Shalini, SEO and Content Manager at Trido School, and also I'm being the part of the trainer in online and the offline batches right over here. This particular topic is like very basic. So if you want to start with the keyword research, right? Whatever may be the module, it can be SEO, it can be ads, it can be like content. Whatever may be the modules, we guys always start with the keywords. Like what people are searching for, right? Like you call it as a search query. People come to any search engine. Most of the people just come to the Google search engine, right? When they just come to a Google search engine and they just type the search query and click on enter, there are different types of outputs or results are possible, correct? Now, if you want to rank your website or content, so you should give what people actually want. You can't just give, see, this is a more valuable information. I'm just going to give from my perspective. No, it won't work. You guys should be working according to the user's perspective. Like how they are just asking the questions, you have to modify your answer. You have to customize your opinions, right? So now this search intent is nothing but like what people are searching, whether it is kind of an informational thing, like what is digital marketing, or people are searching for like best digital marketing course in Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi. So these are the different types of search intent. Okay, so here in this video, I'm going to teach you what are the different types of search intent and how you can create a content around that. So it's not like I'm going to give you like one, two, three, four. There are four search intents and you guys have to do with the things. No, I'm going to give you the goal. If this is a search intent, what is the motivation of this intent? Examples and how you can create content around that. I hope no video in YouTube has just given a simple justification like this, because I have never recorded any videos which just talks like what is digital marketing, what is on page SEO, off page SEO. No, these are like very basic things which people actually leave it. When people like me, like who are in the trainer perspective or who works for the agencies, they actually take this very seriously, right? Now let us start. Why search intent is the key for ranking your content in Google SERP. SERP is nothing but search engine rank, right? So let's go. It is search engine result page. Sorry. Importance of search intent. Okay, let me just click over here. What do you mean by search intent and why it is important? Okay, it refers to the underlying reason or motive behind a user's search query. Let me just open a new tab. Okay, if I'm searching what is digital marketing. Okay, can you see? It gives me the definition. It gives me the definition. What are the modules that are available in digital marketing? And example, like many articles, like what is digital marketing, benefits of digital marketing. Here comes the knowledge panel. Like it is also called as an internet marketing, correct? Whereas if I search for digital marketing services, so there is a different types of results, correct? The best digital marketing services near me. Okay. If I put it as like digital marketing course. So it's like best online course and offline course. Digital marketing course price. If I just search like that. Okay. So it gives me data related to the numbers. Numbers. Correct. Like iPhone. If I search iPhone 15 Pro Max, it gives the features of iPhone 15 Pro Max, like how it actually, like what are the features that are available, email option. Whereas if I just search for price, it mainly gives the price. See, can you see all the results mainly provides a value related to the price. Can you see it over here? So the product may be iPhone. If you just search it as iPhone 15, the data are different. It gives the features, usability factors, everything. But if you guys are searching for iPhone 15 Pro Max, like price, the output is different. This is how search intent also differs. One is knowledgeable, one sector of people wants to buy something, one sector of people wants to review something, review two products, right? So there are several search intents are there. It is not several, there are only four, which is like quite impactful. And I'm going to teach you how to find this and create content based on that. Okay, let me come over here. Guys, any guesses for the first? It is informational intent. Okay. So, what is the goal of this informational intent? To learn or gain knowledge. What is digital marketing? What is SEO? Like 5 steps to do blogging in 2024. That, like, you guys go to YouTube, like step by step guide to cook something, right? So it's kind of an information. You guys need information related to a recipe or like related to a definition. So this type of keywords, you call it as an informational intent. So how do people search for this? Like how to, what is, define, sell. So it's like a zoology term, right? It's define, sell. Explain in detail. What is content marketing? This is like guide, an ultimate guide to learn digital marketing. Something like that. Tutorial, review, right? This type, if people ask such type of questions, so it comes under informational intent. Can I have just given an example? See, how to bake a cake. This is an informational intent. Okay. Create in-depth articles, guides, or tutorials and videos. So if your users or if your target audience is asking such type of questions, so how do you create content on that? Especially it's going to be a tutorial video. Step 1, step 2, step 3, or you're going to write an entire article. How to do this? Okay, let me just show you how to start with blogging in 2025. Okay, can you see the steps over here? First, you have to select with the niche, monetization strategy, a platform. You have to start name, content type. This is like step by step. This is a timestamp, right? So this is how you have to create video. You can't be creating like a blogging is really very good, like where you have to get this, that. No, they have just asked a step by step guidance. Just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the steps you have to follow if you are starting with blogging in 2025, right? Informational intent is like many beginners search for it, obviously. So we can just go and find. So how do you find whether people are searching like that? I have just given you some keywords like how to, tutorial, review, define. But apart from that, okay, let us just go to the keyword overview. The name of the tool is SEMrush. Okay, you guys have to click on this keyword overview. Let it load because this tool takes time. Okay, so we'll just, what is blogging? Okay, let me just click on search. Here it doesn't mention like what is a blog. Okay, we can go like this. People are not asking like what is blogging. They want what is a blog. Okay. In these tools, you don't have to buy hard. Okay, how to tutorial review. Now it comes under information. No need to buy hard. If you're using this tool called as SEMrush, you just need to give this. Okay, a search query, and you can easily find out what type of intent is. You have to create content only based on that intent. No need to say which blogging platform is best, whether this hosting service or this is the domain service provider. No, you don't have to compare anything. This is like they have asked steps, you have to give the information. That's it. Informational intent is what it is, right? Now, coming back to the next. navigational intent. Okay, what is the goal? To find a specific website or web page. It is nothing but people are searching for Trido School live digital marketing course. See, people already know this is the website I'm gonna go. They're gonna navigate to. Okay, either they want to go to the about page or they just want to go to the contact page, right? Like brand name, specific web address. It's like Facebook login, something like that. It's like we can have it as like Trido School about us page. Like they want to know more about our edtech company. So you guys already know. You just go to the Google. You search for like Trido School contact us. Okay. So Trido School contact us. So it is not taking this. Just a minute. Let me just go for this Facebook login. So it just giving me the login. See, it's not like many people are searching for Facebook. You're gonna write an article on Facebook. No, many people are searching for the login page, because people know to which platform they have to navigate. Correct? And they are using this login, contact us, like career, something like that. Okay. So this you call it as a navigational type of intent. So it's like Amazon.com or Nike website. Okay, ensure your website is easy to navigate and that important pages are easily accessible. If your target audience is using more type of navigational, okay, at the time what you have to do is, see, I'll show you one thing. Let me go to this domain overview and I'll show you what is the navigational keyword, like one more time. This tool alone, it takes some time. Okay, this is a tridoschool.com, right? So let me just, this is the organic keywords we are ranking for. So it is mostly informational, transactional, commercial. Okay, it's mostly on this. Maybe like one or two will be navigational. Okay, here I can't find it, like Facebook login. Let us see. Because in our website, it is mostly the other three keyword intents, not the navigational one. Or Facebook. Can you see it over here? The navigational intent is there. There can be a combination of one or two intents also. Okay. Let me just come back. See, you know that website, I'm just gonna go. You have to write. So you have to either give the particular URL, about us or something like that, contact about us. That you call it as a navigational intent. Coming to the third one, which is very, very important, transactional intent. That means people are ready to purchase. Here you can take an example for navigational intent like iPhone 16. Okay, people know they just want to get iPhone 16. They just go to that homepage, they find it out. Here, transactional intent, they want to buy the iPhone. They want to know the price. See, buy, order, purchase, discount, coupon, shipping. If people are searching like this, then it is called as a transactional intent. So how do you create content? You have to include clear call to action. So you have to give the features of the particular product or particular service, and you have to put it as like call to action as buy now, save now, sign up now. So there should be a clear call to action whenever you create content around transactional type of intent. Like pricing information should be there as secure checkout process. People, they just made the mind to buy that product or the service. At this particular time, you have to mention it clearly. If people are searching for like a purchase discount, they already made their mind, they want to purchase this product. You guys have written a content like description. Okay, this is a very good product, benefits, information, ingredients, usage. No, it is like, okay, if you guys write those content, but apart from that, you should have this button called as buy now, shop now. Then only people will take an action. So transactional intent is all about purchasing. The final is nothing but a commercial intent. Okay, here to research the product or the services before making a purchase. Commercial, when people are searching for a commercial intent. Okay, so obviously they want to compare best digital marketing course in Hyderabad. So we have written like five best digital marketing courses in Hyderabad, five best in Amirpet. So kind of a comparison perspective. Okay, next we have the best top, compare, review alternatives. If it is commercial, just close your eyes and you can feel like you have to compare something. Which is the best, which is the worst, or the top five. This type of keywords, if you're getting it from your target audience or you're getting it from the tools, obviously it is commercial intent. Okay, like best laptops under 50,000. Compare iPhone 14 with Samsung Galaxy. So, how do you create content for that? You have to provide detailed product descriptions, reviews, comparisons, and customer testimonials. So, people they want to compare it like why your product should be best or why your product is the best so that they can buy it. So, you have to give the trustability to them. You have to share the testimonials to them. Correct? So, whenever you create content around commercial intent, obviously keep it in mind testimonials and the comparison articles are very very essential. So what type of tools will give you an idea of like, okay, this particular keyword is information, this is like transaction, navigation, commercial. So I have just shown you one particular example, which is SEMrush. Okay, just come over here. Okay, you can just go to the keyword overview. Whenever you search for any keyword, it gives you the intent. Okay, best digital marketing course. Okay, let me search this particular keyword. Okay, let us see the intent over here. Obviously, it do take time. I'll put it as like, can you see? Commercial intent. Okay, if it comes like best review, purchase, something like that, it comes under commercial intent and you know how to create content around that, right? So make sure you follow this. You guys can take a screenshot or else we will send you this particular mind map also. So informational, so these are the keywords. It is totally step by step guidance. Information, it is a guidance. Navigation, people already know what they want to do, which particular page they want to go. You have to just give the details or the URL of that particular page. You have to check whether that particular page is easily logged in or not. Okay. Whereas the third one is like transactional keyword. Here, it is like mostly they have made a mind to purchase. So you have to give a proper call to action like purchase now, 70% offer, do it right now. Okay, use such type of call to action so that they easily buy it and always mention the price of the product or the service. And final thing is commercial. Obviously, you are just searching for the best, worst, top review. Everything comes under the commercial intent keyword. Okay. So, like which tool you guys gonna go and search it? Obviously, it is SEMrush tool. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this informative session. So, it comes under the informational intent keyword. See you guys in the next session. Thank you.